Hello students, hope you are all doing good. In the previous class we discussed about transpose of a matrix and how to find determinant of a matrix. In today's class we shall discuss a new concept called finding inverse of a matrix. Before going to that, we need some definitions. Let us look into the definitions. Singular and non-singular matrix. So we have the definition of singular and non-singular matrix. A square matrix A is said to be singular if det A is 0 and it is said to be non-singular if determinant of A is not equal to 0. It is said to be singular if determinant of A is 0. It is said to be non-singular if determinant of A is not 0. Inverse exists only for non-singular matrices. Non-singular matrix. Next one is inverse of a matrix. A square matrix of order n is set. A square matrix of the order n if A is square matrix of order n, then A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A. Adjoint of a matrix. Transpose of a cofactorized matrix is called adjoint of a matrix. So here we have discussed singular and non-singular matrix. What is a singular matrix? A matrix whose determinant is 0 is called singular. If determinant A is not 0, it is called non-singular. Before finding inverse, we have to find inverse only for a singular and only for a non-singular matrix. Inverse exists only for a non-singular matrix. How to find inverse? The formula is here. A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A. We have to find adjoint A and divide it by determinant of A. What is adjoint of A? Transpose of a cofactorized matrix is called adjoint of a matrix. When we do the problems, you will understand better. Today's class we shall see how to find inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix and inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix. Let us look into the problems. First, find the adjoint and inverse of the following matrix. First one, 2 minus 3, 4, 6. This is what is the matrix that you have. First we have to find determinant of A. Let A is equal to 2 minus 3, 4, 6. Determinant of A. How to find determinant? AD minus BC. 2 into 6 minus 4 into minus 3. 2 6 are 12 plus 12, which is 24. So determinant of A is 24. Now adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to, how to find the adjoint is, you have to see if ABCD is a matrix, then ABCD is a matrix, D minus B minus C A. This is called adjoint of a matrix, adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix. For this we need to interchange 6 with, we need to put in place of 6 we need to put 2, in place of 2 we need to put 6. These elements remain as it is, but you have to change the signs. That is how you find the adjoint. Let us say in place of 2 I am writing 6, in place of 6 I am writing 2. Interchange these two terms. Then for the remaining terms you have to change the sign. Minus 3 will become plus 3, plus 4 becomes minus 4. This is called adjoint of A. Now A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A, that is equal to 1 by 24 into 6 3 minus 4 2. Take 24 inside, what do you get? 6 by 24, 3 by 24 minus 4 by 24, 2 by 24. So that will give you 1 by 4, 1 by 8 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 12. So this is what is the inverse of the given matrix. A inverse is 1 by 4, 1 by 8 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 12. Therefore A inverse is equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 8 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 12. We shall do one more problem. Find the inverse of the matrix, second one, cos alpha minus sin alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha. This is the matrix given to you. First we shall find the determinant. Let matrix A is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha. Det A is equal to AD minus BC, that is cos square alpha minus of minus sin square alpha, which is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, which is equal to 1. So determinant of A is 1, which is not equal to 0. So we can find inverse of the matrix. Next, adjoint of A is equal to what? You have to exchange the positions of cos alpha and cos alpha. Here you will get cos alpha only. Here for these two you have to change the signs. Minus sin alpha will become plus sin alpha, plus sin alpha will become minus sin alpha. This is adjoint of A. A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A. Det A is anyway 1. So you get 1 by 1 into cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, that is equal to 1 into this thing, whole thing is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. So this is what is the inverse of the matrix. Next we shall see how to find the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix. inverse 1, 1 0 2, 2 1 0, 3 2 1. We shall find inverse. Before finding inverse, we have to find the determinant. Let matrix A is equal to 1 0 2, 2 1 0, 3 2 1. So you have to find det A first. Det A. What you will do? Plus minus plus. 1 into close this column, close this row, AD minus BC. 1 minus 0. Minus 0 into close this column, close this row, 2 minus 0. Plus 2 into close this column, close this row, 4 minus 3. That is nothing but 1 plus 0 plus 2 into 1, 1 plus 2, which is 3. Determinant of A is 3, which is not equal to 0. Next we have to find cofactorized matrix of A. Then transpose of that cofactorized matrix will give you adjoint of A. Adjoint of A by det A will give you inverse. Now you have to find cofactorized matrix of A. Cofactorized matrix of A. For doing this cofactorized matrix, what you do is you put plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Now close this column, close this row. You have to do AD minus BC. 1 minus 0, that is 1. Next for this element, close this column, close this row. 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. For this element, close this column, close this row. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Next for 2, close this column, close this row. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Next for 1, close this column, close this row. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Next to close this column, close this row. 2 minus 0 is 2. Next for 3, close this column, close this row. 0 minus 2, minus 2. For this element, close this column, close this row. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Close this column, close this row. 1 minus 0 will give you 1. So that is equal to 1 minus 2 1, 4 minus 5 minus 2, minus 2 4 1. So this is the cofactorized matrix of A. Then adjoint of A is equal to transpose of a cofactorized matrix. 1 4, transpose means you have to write columns as rows. 1 4 minus 2, minus 2 minus 5 4, 1 minus 2 1. This is the adjoint of A. We have to find A inverse. A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A. That is 1 by 3 into 1 4 minus 2, minus 2 minus 5 4, 1 minus 2 1. So this is what is A inverse. That's all for today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.